Hey guys, welcome to Ray's Creative Corner. Today we're going to be learning how to make a really cool creative card holder to hold your cards in a card game. Put them through and you have your very own card holder. Especially good for Uno No Mercy. Terms and conditions required. What you need for this video tutorial, it's a great tutorial guys, and we're going to have a part 1 and part 2 and a part 3 maybe. Depends. So first, we're going to be needing for this tutorial is 2 pieces of round fabric. Moving on, we have 2 CDs. What we're going to be needing is some fluff, wadding, as people call it, and a needle. You might need adults' permission and stuff for this, with your color, your chosen color, and 2 pieces of buttons. Alright, let's get started. So, first we're going to put everything aside except for 1 piece of material. Now we're going to start in the inner side. And we're going in and out. Make sure it's not too further away from the edge. In, out. Just quick in, out. All the way through. Make sure you're being very careful with this, because something bad could happen and somebody could get hurt. Okay, so now we're done knitting the whole thing. And as you can see, it's starting to push up a bit. You can see that, right? So now we're going to get some scissors. Now we're going to cut it. Okay, we've cut our thread. And you can pull the remaining out. We've done that. Now, time to cut this off from where we started. And as you can see, there's a type of knot. So we're going to cut that through. If it cuts it. Okay, now we have done this. Now make sure you get this part ready. Get your knotted thing and put it in 1 piece of the wadding. And why I'm saying 1 piece is because it's time to do this. So see our little piece that's hung out a bit still? We're going to pull that. So it eases. This eases in. See how it's kind of easing? This actually looks good. Now our CD. We're going to ease that in gently and pull. Now, as you can see, it's only going on this side. We have to cut the wadding a bit. Okay, now I've finished. Time to get the wadding. Put it back in here. Make sure you don't lose hold of this one. Tying it up here. CD, straight in there. And put the side where it doesn't have the good wife, the name of the show or whatever on there. Just put the plain type side. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to come in shape. So it's time to do what we've been needing to do. Now we've tucked the wadding in. As you can see, looks like 1/2 of this. Now, I'll explain the rest in part 2. Okay, guys? Peace. See you later.